Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys the first two entries into my birthday giveaway challenge. And this one comes from Gina Valdez, and I believe that is her YouTube name as well. I will make sure to link all of these ladies in the description box, so check them out. So here is her memory dex card. How cute. It's all pink. I do love my sweets. So she cut out this super cute little girl holding a plate of cookies. She has some lace in the background, some gems, and some pearls. Excuse me. This little sign that says sweet, and this candy shop. And these two items are popped up. Super, super cute. And she does have her information on the back. Her favorite color is pink, and her crafting style is clean and simple. So thank you so much, Gina. It's super cute. This is the card that she made for me. Love my gorgeous girls. You guys know that, even though I don't use my stamps as much as I should. So she has this beautiful rose that looks like she fussy cut out and it's popped up. These two butterflies with the pearls in the center, the sentiment across the top, and she also fussy cut out this super cute, gorgeous girl. And it says, with love on the inside. Super cute. And I think she's just on Instagram. So she is Gina Valdez 08 if you guys want to find her. So thank you so much, Gina. And she was so super sweet and sent a couple of extras. Here are some handmade embellishments that she made for me. Super cute. And she sent me one of these unicorn bath bombs. I'm having quite a collection of these. I just need to find the time to use them. But that was really sweet. It was not necessary, but greatly appreciated. So thank you so much. So again, that was Gina Valdez. And then the second one I want to share with you guys is from Sophia. Hey girl. She is Paper Sweets here on YouTube. It came in this super cute little glittered up bag. She also put in this Happy Birthday Whack-A-Pack, which I really want to play with, so I will do that later off camera. And here is her entry. She used the Frank Garcia Santorini paper. She does have a video. Also, I do have a playlist started, so you guys can check that out. I'll leave the playlist link up in the top right. And everyone so far that I know of that has done a video response, their videos are on there. So if you don't see yours and you have done one, let me know so that I can add it. Love the way that she packaged this. Sorry for the crinkling. And it's on here with the little foam square. Super cute. And this is the one collection that I don't have, which is very odd, but I love the whole Greece theme. It is one of my travel destinations on my wish list. I mean, who can say anything about all this blue right when you get there? Oh, I just love it. And she used some of the Satan crystals. I just love her layering. She also used some metallic thread right behind this super cute girl die cut. And it looks like she did some sewing around the edge of the memory dex card. Love it. Thank you so much, Sophia. And then here is the card, which of course matches. So I think she used the Spellbinders Emboss and Cut. So it's an embossing folder, but it has little areas where it die cuts. I still have yet to use mine. She used some more of the gorgeous Satan crystals here. It looks like she cut this out of one of the foil papers in the collection. Here's some more of that sewing that she did around the perimeter. She distressed some of the edges. Super pretty. And she just says, happy birthday, Mimi. Hope you have a wonderful day. and she also decorated the bottom right here. So super cute. If you guys don't know, handmade cards are one of my absolute favorite things to receive. So that's why I had to include it in my giveaway. So those are the first 2 entries that I have so far. I do have a couple more that I want to share with you guys as they trickle in. You guys still have time to join my giveaway challenge if you are interested. It will end on December 15th. There are some awesome prizes. Please go back to the first video where I talk about what is up for grabs that you may be entered into. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and taking a look, and I will be back in another video really soon. Bye everyone.